Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to more NFT education, where we take NFT projects, we review them, we try to learn more about NFT, and if nothing else, we see if this project is something that we can do something with. All right, now that brings me today to the Lazy Tiger Wood Club. All right, and they actually minted today, so when you see this video, it would probably be yesterday. But let's go ahead and review this project because this project stood out. This is one of those classic NFTs that kind of give you passive income just through the member benefits, and on top of that, it seems like it's got great utility, but we're gonna go into that. So they got 27,000 Discord members, 1,000 new members per day, 8,000 social media followers, which these are all claims. We're gonna check that out later. What we're about: giveaways. Win a spot on the whitelist by completing one of 4 tasks in our Discord server. Okay, so y'all are about giveaways. That's what's up. We're giving away 100K in ETH to a random holder if we mint out. What that means is if they sell out, right? The winner will be announced 24 hours after minting out. Join our Discord for more info. So we'll have all of that, but early pre-sale. We're doing a pre-sale 250 OG NFTs in January on January 2nd that you can mint for a lower price. So that's already passed. Secondary sale. The rest of our NFTs can be minted on January 7th. This is when it counts because our goal is to mint out as fast as possible. After secondary sales, the club basically NFTs will be revealed and will all be listed on OpenSea. Holder benefits. The holders can participate in events, get exclusive access to the Lazy Tiger Wood Club community, and get notified about the best NFT projects out there. All right. So that's the utility of this project. This project is basically a project to help you get on other projects, and let me tell you why that's valuable, because a lot of people are looking for like projects, projects that they think are gonna explode 1,000 times, right? When I cover these projects, I'm not necessarily covering them saying, hey, these projects are gonna explode. These are just reviews or whatever. So they kind of stay on top of that and kind of show you which ones that, based on maybe insider knowledge that they may have, that are going to explode. So that definitely does have value. All right, let's talk about the club more though. Lazy Tiger Wood Club is a collection of 10,000 unique, randomly generated tiger humanoids adventuring on the Ethereum blockchain. Every tiger, we'll just call it, is unique and made of over 80 plus possible attributes and traits. They can have different backgrounds, skins, clothes, facial expressions, accessories, and headgear. They are all made with love, but some are rarer than others, all right? When you buy one of these, not only do you own a cool JPEG, but you also get access to their great events, own the commercial rights, holder benefits, and automatically participate in their giveaways, right? A good reason not to just take a screenshot. I like that because a lot of people say, well, bro, can I just screenshot an NFT? No, you can't, because you don't get all of that stuff with just a screenshot, all right? So holder benefits, that's what I wanted to talk about. NFT spotter. As a lazy tiger, we understand you don't feel like researching every NFT project to find the hidden gems that will explode. That's why all tiger holders will get access to a chat and a web portal where they can view NFT projects that will most likely rise in value after mint. We also tip you off when the mint date and time is so you don't miss these gems. Our team of NFT experts will only pick the best projects and spot them for you so you can snipe them at mint date, all right? Number 2, the second benefit, passive income. After sold out, they'll set up a fund that holds Ethereum to snipe mint the NFT project spotted. That's right, they invest in the projects that they recommend themselves. The profits made investing in these NFT projects will be shared among the holders. So that's passive income right there. There's high probability that you're gonna get profit with these, right? So of course they talked about giveaways after it's minted out. They're trying to reward somebody with 100K Ethereum, all right, which isn't nothing to sneeze at all. All the holders will be able to participate in these giveaways because they can identify them through the smart contract, so no extra work is needed on their end, all right? So the roadmap, the marketing campaigns, they're past that. The pre-sale, they're past that. Ready to take off. 2,000 community members will have the opportunity to get whitelisted, and thousands of members will be ready For the official launch, the launch date will be on January 7th, a few days before launch. So when you see this, these will already be live and you need to like run over there and get them, right? Our promise 100K in Ethereum giveaway, 100 NFTs, 10,000, sorry, are minted 24 hours later. A random holder is 100K richer. That's crazy. With the funds released, they'll continue marketing. Paper hands will slowly leave and the strongest NFT community of all time slowly be formed. Meanwhile, they're planning a nice event where only holders will have access to. This will be announced on the Discord channel to the holders. Holder benefits kick in 2 to 4 weeks after minted out, which means they sell out basically. They add 100K to the investment fund that the holders will profit from. Holders will get access to an exclusive web portal with NFT spotting tips and exclusive content for the holders, right? So from now on, the holders will make passive incomes off these NFTs if everything goes to plan. So Whelp airdrop and token. After the holders have made the passive income, they will then airdrop Whelp small tigers NFTs holders into the NFT. These are exclusive to the holders and can be sold on NFT marketplace. Next to the Whelps holders will be airdrop meat token, which can be used for technology they will develop to make it easier to start an NFT project yourself. Wow. Holders will be able to test out and take suggestions to projects that they'll do in the future. And then the long-term community, they want the Lazy Tiger Club community to last forever, of course. That's why they will do everything in their power to make the NFTs you minted more valuable. This is good for the community because they can profit off investment, and that's good for us because they will build trust with our community and keep that trust, which will help in all projects they do in the future. They will keep growing this forever and ever. All right, so meet the team, Sammy Boy, Joshy, Tony, okay? And we pretty much know all that other stuff. So now we got to go do our Twitter check. Okay, almost 5K on Twitter. That's pretty good hype. You know, and these are real people. You know, this is how you kind of see if this project has hype or not, right? And then you go over here to Discord, accept the invite. All right, and so yeah, it looks pretty legit in here. This is the public price. Members, pre-sale sold out. Oh wow, okay, launch. I wonder is the launch sold out? Okay, this is pretty dope, bro. Let me know what y'all think about this project in the comments. This is something that we're definitely gonna keep our eyes peeled on in the future. This is already up, so I'm gonna have all their links in the description. If you want this, go ahead and run over there and get it. I love y'all, man. Let's get it.